Artstar 2 kit in its full glory with its new additions. You can see the 6 and the 8-inch tom there. They're memory locks now on all the toms, which are great, really helpful. Around here we've now got the, God, it takes forever to walk around it, the monstrous 18 as well. Plenty of toms to choose from. So I'll do a quick run through, diameter by depth. So 6 by 8, 8 by 8, 10 by 10, 11 by 10, 12 by 11, 13 by 12, 14 by 13, 15 by 14, 16 by 16, 18 by 16, and the kicks are 22 by 16. And there she is. Here's a quick sound clip of all the toms. That thing is an absolute monster.